Hello and good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to our social studies. Myself, Preeti, your SS educator. So, friends, let's continue our 7th chapter, that is the clothes we wear. So, before we start today's sessions, let us revise on what we did yesterday. So, friends, yesterday we studied about the clothes worn by people from different regions of India. Also, clothes worn by men in different parts of India. Now let us study about what our women wears in all over India. Women in India wear a variety of colorful clothes. Sari is the most common piece of clothing, but it is worn in different ways in different states. Now friends, you know that even हमारे मम्मा जो है, आपके मम्माज, right, most of your mamas might be wearing saris, है कि नहीं? So now what is happening friends, सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई piece of cloth जो है इंडिया में अगर पहनते हैं women's, तो that is called a sari. In fact, from the way the sari is draped or tied, we can tell which state the women belong to. तो जैसे ही हमने मेन के सेक्शन में देखा था कि उनके पहनावे से ही हमें पता चलता है कि ये कौन से स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हैं इंडिया के, उसी तरह से वी कैन कम टू नो ऑफ फ्रॉम द अटायर ऑफ द वुमेन. जिस तरह से वुमेन्स ने साड़ी पहनी होती है, हम उनके लुक से ही पता लगा सकते हैं कि वो वुमेन जो है वो कौन से पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया से बिलोंग करते हैं. The weave and design of the cloth also varies from state to state. Of course friends, हम नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट की बात करें तो हर जगह हर एक लेडी के जो कपड़े हैं उनका स्टाइल, उनका पैटर्न, उनका क्लोथ मटेरियल डिफ़र करता है. Let us have a look on some of the traditional clothes worn in different states of India. Before that, let us have a look on some of the images of the clothings of women, different type of saris worn by women in our country. Here is an image of Maharashtrian woman wearing sari. This is a Bengali woman wearing sari. This is an image of a Gujarati woman from Gujarat. And this is the common way of wearing sari these days, and it is used or worn by each and every woman nowadays. Now friends, let us have a look at some of the traditional clothes worn in different states of India. अब हम देखते हैं कि ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स कौन कौन से हैं जो हम पूरी इंडिया में पहनते हैं. Here is an image of a woman from Rajasthan in their traditional dresses called Ghagra, Kanchli and Odhni. Here is another image of Mekhla Chadar, which is the traditional dress of the women of Assam. Our next image is of people from Nagaland in their traditional dresses. Here is an image of Mundu blouse of Kerala women. Now here is an image of Ghagra kurta of Haryanvi women. Here is a woman of Kashmir which wears salwar and pehran. Now friends, here is the image of a woman from Punjab wearing salwar and kameez with dupatta. Here is an image of a traditional dress of a woman which belongs to Kutch of Gujarat. And finally, here are some of the common dresses worn by the kids or people today of India. Now friends, let us move forward and study more about this. Salwar kameez or chudidar kameez now have become popular in many parts of the country. अब सलवार कमीज़ एंड चूड़ीदार कमीज़ जो है, ठीक है, ये ज़्यादातर कॉमन हो गया है और मोस्ट ऑफ द लेडीज़ एंड गर्ल्स वेयर दिस ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. ऑल्सो द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, स्पेशली वुमेन, ठीक है, लाइक वेयरिंग द ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स. एंड वुमेन्स जो है कोई भी ट्रेडिशनल या उनकी रीजनल फेस्टिवल्स में सबसे ज़्यादा वो क्या करती है, ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस पहनना ही पसंद करती है. वेस्टर्न क्लोथ्स सच एज trousers, shirts, jeans, t-shirts, skirts and jackets have also become popular among both men and women. Obviously friends, हम ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस तो पहनते ही हैं, बट मोस्ट कॉमनली उसके साथ में अगर हम आज देखें तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वेस्टर्न क्लोथ्स प्रेफर करते हैं पहनना इन आवर रेगुलर डे बेसिस, राइट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, ऑन वेडिंग डेज and other special occasions, many people wear traditional clothes and jewelries. Each state has a special bridal wear. Clear? So finally here we end our entire chapter. Okay, so let us rewind what we did, friends. Now after reading this chapter, we know people in different states of India wear different clothes. Apart from that, the clothes that people wear are influenced by the climate. ठीक है, जैसा क्लाइमेट होता है वैसे वहाँ के लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना कपड़े पहनते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ट्रेडिशन एज वेल. Trousers and shirts are the most common clothes worn by men living in the cities. Also, sari is the most important common piece of clothing worn by Indian women, and also it differs from states to states and culture to culture. So finally here we end our chapter, the clothes we wear. I hope you have understood and enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much friends. See you in next lecture. Take care.